Thank you, viewers. I am Tutor Cletus Okoli. Thank you for stopping by. In today's class, we have to solve 10 to the power of 20 divided by 20 to the power of 10. We want to simplify this and see what the answer will be. Meanwhile, if it is your first time of stopping by, kindly subscribe to my channel for exciting videos. And watch this to the end. It is going to be a quick and brief video. Diving in, I will write 10 to the power of 20 as given to me in the numerator. But at the denominator, I am given 20 to the power 10. I can write my 20 as 2 multiplied by 10. Why? Because I want to get base 10 at the denominator. So 29 can be written as 2 multiplied by 10, still raised to power 10. Very good. But by the law of indices, a multiplied by b to the power of x is exactly equal to a to the power of x multiplied by b to the power of x. Meaning that I can now write this as 10 to the power of 20, and at the denominator I will now have 2, which is now represented here by my a to the power x. So 2 to the power of 10, 2 to the power of 10, multiplied by 10 to the power of 10, and 10 is like my b here, to the power of x, which would now be 10 to the power of 10. Okay, moving forward, I can simply write this as 10 to the power of 20, then all over 10 to the power of 10, multiplied by 1 all over 2 to the power of 10. Okay, good. Now, as it is now, by law of indices, what I have done here is simply that since I have 2 to the power of 10 at the denominator, I have written it as 1 all over 2 to the power of 10, because 1 times 10 to the power of 20 is still 10 to the power of 20. So, it is still in order and very intact. Now, law of indices, that is division law of indices, says that if I have a to the power of x, okay, all over b, okay, the same a to the power of y, that it is the same thing as a to the power of x minus y. A very beautiful law in indices. So I'm going to apply it to this part, and that will now become, that is what I mean is that I have base 10 at the numerator, I have base 10 at the denominator, so this law can now apply here. And that implies that I shall now have 10 to the power of 20, then this will now come on to become minus 10. Everything multiplied by 1 all over 2 to the power of 10. Okay, let us remove this to make our work very clear. Good. 20 minus 10 is going to give me 10 to the power of 10 multiplied by 1 all over 2 to the power of 10, which you know, and agree with me that it is 10 to the power 10 all over 2 to the power 10. Okay, at this point, if I have that a to the power of x all over b to the power of x still, okay, so the powers are equal, I can simply write it as a all over b all to the power of x. So applying this beautiful law of indices to what I have currently, I can now write it as 10, where a is my 10, okay, and the b is my 2, so divided by 2, all to the power of, since I have x as the power of the numerator and the x as the power of the denominator, so it will now have one common power, and that is power 10. Alright, and it is now very easy, and implying that we are done with this video. So 2 can divide 10 to give me just 5 to the power of 10. And this becomes the final answer, the solution to this question, which says that 10 to the power of 20 divided by 20 to the power of 10 is simply equal to 5 to the power of 10. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Remember to subscribe and like my videos. God bless you.